Yo, almost 20k XP. I'm really close to the gold tire. I'm really close to the gold tire. That's super cool. I'm top 1% XP earner. That's huge. That's really huge. I really like it. Let me show you what I've been doing for the past week. How did I get it? Okay, continue. So, as I said before, I got my GM ABS token for $15. It was going up to 120. Now it's back to the 50, but I'm not gonna sell it. I'm just holding it. I have half a million tokens, so that's pretty cool. Also, I got some NFTs. I bought my first ship, Captain Company ship, for 0.045 Ethereum or something like this. I got one, so now I can send it to the sale and earn some XP inside the CNC with just no gaming. Also, there was skins minting from 77-bit, and I got some from them. What I got this, this 10, this 8, and Bitman 10. Is it quality? Maybe it's not the amount. Okay, I got some of them. I spent about pretty close to $100 for these skins. I didn't got the stickman. That's pretty sad, but we'll see what I got. Also, on Sunday I made my Multiplier Mummy, the secret badge that is given for 300 launches. Now I got it too. I already claim it really, but I don't know why it's shown as I haven't claimed it. It's broken a bit. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so also Myriad, my daily activity. I'm almost top 1k in the rank. That's pretty cool. I do predictions with the points. Sometimes I do predictions with the money, but for real, I'm really betting on the things that I understand and that I'm pretty sure in. So I'm not gambling. I really trying to. I'm really trying to put in the bets in the things that I really know. So if you want, you can do it. I also do dually every day, like taking the games. Sometimes I play a doubler. Also, I collecting CNC token, but long time waiting. So if you want to take all the tokens that you have from the nodes, you need to wait 90 days. And I like my token now on the painting, and so waiting for them. So I think it's not count yet, but when 3 months will be, after the 3 months I will get all the tokens. Also, I'm pretty high in the leaderboard of the Captain Company. I was close to top 300. Now I'm back to 320, but still I'm pretty high. I didn't play much really this week. I didn't play much for Captain Company because, as many other users, I were playing Cambria, and it's really cool and nice game. They need to have a lot of updates. They need to fix a lot of things really to become a really top game, because there's a lot of problems inside the game. There's a lot of features that they need to add really, but day by day playing the Cambria, I started to understand this game more and more. I was writing some posts about Cambria in my Twitter. If you want, you can check and read it. I also gonna make some maybe thread about features that I think will be cool to add inside Cambria, but still we have this one. Also, what else? I think that for this week, this is all the things that I was doing. Yeah, I took the road racing club badge because I was playing it for a long time. So I think this week is pretty cool. It's not like 33k like past week, but I was not playing too much this week really. But I'm really happy that I got so much of this, and next week should be the golden one. And I don't know how long this XP giving will last, but I don't think really that I'm gonna be on the platinum. But if it will gonna last for the year or more than half of the year, then probably I have a chance to get to the platinum. But still, I think my target is gold. Really, my target is gold, and when I will reach it, I will be more calm and more chill about XP weekly. It doesn't mean that I will stop my activities. I will just be more calm about this. So, Abstract team, big thanks for you for this XP. I show you what I've been doing for the past week. Yeah, also I didn't say, I'm saying it every day. I play every day Gigaverse. So yeah, Gigaverse is on my rank list. I play daily. Yeah, I show you and tell you everything that I've been doing for the past week and how I get this amount of XP. If you have any questions, you can write them down in the comments. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good life. Goodbye.